Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make a very simple but delicious, flavorful Ghana authentic soya meat or kebab or Kyinkyinka. So if you want to learn how I make this beautiful, delicious Ghana soya meat, please stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's get started. So now, as you can see right here guys, I'm using lamb. If you don't have lamb, you can use beef or you can use goat meat, but this is what I am using for this recipe. So I have 5 pounds of lamb right here that I got it from a butcher shop. So that is what I am going to use. Okay guys, so for my spice, I have ginger on this side, I have moustache, I have bay leaves, salt, GARI right here. I have my hot pepper powder and mokusam just to get the meat very spicy and delicious. And I have onion and garlic powder in the middle. And also when you look at the spoon right here, I have mixed spice that I got from Ghana. This is very delicious spice. And I have some oil on this side. I have my soya powder. Guys, you know you cannot do soya without the powder right here. With this one you can get some from African markets, and with the GARI spice which is here, you can also get some from African store. If you can't get some of that, you can use adobo to replace that. Okay guys, so let's get cooking. And then so now we are going to wash the meat. So I'm going to add hot water with salt, and we're going to place our meat and wash it very nicely. Our meat is nicely washed. We are going to cut it. Alright, so now our meat is nicely cut. We are going to place them and then season my blended pot right here. If you don't have it, I'm going to recommend that you use your blender, okay? So I am going to add the spice right here, the mixed spice that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm going to blend it in this pot. Add a little bit of water to help me ground it. So that's what I am going to do here. So guys, the reason why I'm doing this is because this is a very good spice right here. It smells really nice. The aroma of this spice is just beautiful. So when you blend it this way and add it to the meat, you will taste the flavor from the spice and everything. That is the proper way, to season your soya meat. So this is perfect. All right, now, so we are going to season the meat. So I have all my beef nicely cut. Next, I am going to add my blended spice. Smells really good. So next, I am going to add the rest of the spice right here. Mix them well. You can use your hands, but this way works too. I don't want to get my hands messy. Wow. We're going to add the oil. Cool guys, so now this is well done. As you can see, it's seasoning beautiful. So we are going to leave it on to rest. Just leave it on like that and let it rest for about 15 minutes. I'm going to show you, a quick way to turn on the oven. Depending on what kind of the oven that you have. So you see they have broil right here. So we're going to use a high heat to broil the meat. Okay, so because of that, we're going to use broil right here. So and then you set it to a high. Okay, this is what you need if you're making the soya. So this one is going to act like a charcoal, going to give it the high heat to the meat, so it will cook like it is fried. That is what you guys need. So then you bake it. So right now it is on. My baking tray right here. I'm going to use aluminum foil, okay, to bake my meat in it. If you are the kind of person you don't like your oven to be messy, do it this way because this way is very recommended. So now this is good. So we're going to add our meats. Alright guys, so now this is done. We are going to place it in the oven and have it grilled for about 45 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Our meat, it's been in the oven for 25 minutes so far. So I'm going to check and see how it is. Wow, it looks very yummy. Very, very yummy. So I'm just going to turn them around and put it back. So as you can see how the top looks, it looks very crispy and crunchy. So this is what I want. So we're going to turn it around so the other side can cook as well. And guys, when you get a juicy stuff like that, you can use it to cook rice. Okay, you can use it as a broth to cook rice, and it tastes very good. And therefore, ladies out there, shout out to you all. Quarantine season, alright guys, we're gonna put it back for extra 20 minutes. Okay? Welcome back guys. So our meat is now done. So I'm going to place them here. As you can see, it's looking very, very, very yummy. Family is going to enjoy this meat guys. So now I'm adding my leftover cucumber on this side, just bring out this beautiful veggie side. This is going to represent as veggies, very pretty. You can add any veggies of your choice, but I have some peppers and onions, so that's why I'm going to add right here. That is going to go around the meats. Looking very, very beautiful and really yummy. So we're going to add some onion as well, just in case if you want to eat with an onion on this side. And then therefore about town. Never town yoba. Looking really nice guys. Alright guys, this is the time to add your soya. This is the best time. As you can tell, it's looking very, very yummy. This soya came straight from Ghana. If you want a recipe, please feel free and let me know. So this is very, very yummy. I'm loving it right here. It tastes really, really, really nice. So this soya is beautiful. For easy picking, I'm going to add some toothsticks around. It is looking very delicious. Your family is going to be very pleased and really excited about this recipe, as you can tell. Alright, so with these snacks you can enjoy with the jollof rice, or even just enjoy the way it looks, must I say. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Bye guys.